today we are going to be tackling building a new table. This is our existing table. It has a few coats of paint, and so we've decided we want to go ahead and build a new table, and we're going to tackle that project today. So to get started, we went to Home Depot and we picked up the wood for the top of our table. 5 pieces of 1 by 8 by 8. So we're gonna cut the pieces to create the frames and the beam to then put the top onto the base to create the table. I knew I wanted some chunkier legs for this table, so I found these from Design 59 Legs, and I was super excited about them. They came ready to paint. We are gonna paint the legs. We decided on gray tabby. We found this color at Home Depot, and we think it's gonna look awesome.
Now that we've cut all the pieces for the base, we're going to use a Craig jig to cut some pocket holes in the board so we can attach them together. Alright, so right now I'm going to go ahead and measure from the ends here, so I put the braces in the same spot all the way around. So we brought it inside so we can lay it down on a flat surface. We're going to attach the outer beams to the legs now to get the outer part done first. We're going to use glue and pocket hole screws. Okay, so we've let the glue dry on the table for 24 hours. Now we're going to flip it over and finish painting and getting the bottom completely ready, and then we'll move on to the top. Now I'm going to mark the holes on the bottom of the table where the pocket screws are going to go so we can attach all the pieces together. So now we've got all the holes drilled for the pocket screws. We're going to go ahead and screw them in and put the pieces together. We're going to put a little bit of glue on all the ends just to add a little bit of support. Alright, so now I'm going to go underneath the table and screw all the pocket screws in, and then we're going to sand it down and stain it.